The man suggested that the sergeant and the fugitive perhaps shared the same youthful memories. The escaped prisoner might even have been among the sergeant's close friends in their younger days. The sergeant admitted the possibility. So, the escaped rebel might have been the sergeant's friend in their youthful days, says the ballad singer. The sergeant accepted because the sergeant is very much interested in nationalistic songs. The ballad man described a hypothetical scene in which a logical scene, but not a true scene. The ballad man described a hypothetical scene, a logical scene in which the sergeant joined in with those former singing friends to free Ireland, caught up in the hypothetical scenario. The ballad man described the hypothetical scene in which the sergeant joined in with those former singing friends to free Ireland. So once the sergeant have sung songs with his Irish friends. So caught up in the hypothetical scenario, the sergeant thinks that if he made different choices, not going into the police force, he is in the imagination, the sergeant is in the imagination that if he is not in the police force and if he has not married and if he has no children, he and the fugitive could well have exchanged roles. The sergeant is in the imagination that he might have become a rebel if he have not married or if he have not worked in police department. The possibility became so real for him that he began to confuse his own identity with the escape. Just for an imagination, the sergeant is in confusion whether he he could be the rebel. He imagined himself trying to escape violently, shooting or assaulting police officers, though the rebel shot the police officers, assaulted the police stations, police barracks. The sergeant imagined all those things. He came back from the imagination suddenly because he heard a sound from the water. They both were sitting on a barrel in front of the water in the harbor. He suspects that the rescues have arrived to carry away the fugitive. He suspects that the rescues or the persons who help the rebel or who help the rebel from the policemen are called the rescues have arrived to save the fugitive, the sergeant thought. The man said that the sergeant in the past sympathized with the Irish nationalists and not with the law he currently represented. The ballad singer says the sergeant has sympathy for Irish nationalists. He is not very strict. He is not very strict in his law. He suggested that the sergeant still doubted the choice he made for the English law, but against the people. So, the background of this play is Ireland is ruled by British country. So the British rule is being going on in Ireland. The sergeant is working for the British government. So the ballad singer says The sergeant cannot be against the Irish rebels. So he says so. He is not fully supporting the law, he supports the rebels, says the ballad singer, boldly singing the rebel tune, The Rising of the Moon, as a signal to the rescuers on the water. So the suspect what the sergeant suspects is correct. The rescuers have come to save the rebel. So the ballad singer, sings the ballad named The Rising of the Moon, or the lines of the ballad start The Rising of the Moon. He removes off his hat and wig. The ballad singer removes off his hat and wig. Jimmy, the ballad man, revealed that he was in fact the fugitive himself. The ballad man says that he was the rebel himself. So the three policemen are searching for him. So he is in disguise, wearing his hat and wearing his wig. There was £100 reward on his head, he says. The sergeant threatened to arrest the escape and collect the reward. So the sergeant suddenly threatened the man that he would arrest him and he would get the reward. Also, his younger police companies approached. So the two policemen were they are coming near the sergeant. The ballad singer or the rebel protested that um, protested that his own rebel sentiments were buried in the past. The sergeant says his rebel sentiments were buried in the past. Now he is a police officer, says the sergeant. The fugitive called on the sergeant's love for Ireland to keep his presence a secret. So the fugitive or the rebel, he says that the sergeant is loving Ireland, so he has to keep his secret because the other two policemen are coming nearby. So quickly hiding the fugitive's wig and hat behind him from the policeman, the sergeant asked whether they had seen anyone. He asked the policeman whether they had seen the rebel. The men insisted no, and they had come to help the sergeant on the watch of the fugitive. So they are telling they had come to help the sergeant. But the sergeant denied and sent them away with their lantern. So he sent them back. The escaped rebel gratefully retrieved his disguise. So the escaped rebel thankfully recovered his disguise. He promised to return the favor when, at the rising of the moon, roles would inevitably be reversed. So he promises that he would offer the favor when the roles between the oppressors and the oppressed are exchanged. Quickly he slipped into the rescue boat. So immediately the rebel slipped into the rescue boat, left alone on the moonlit wharf. The sergeant thought of the lost reward and wondered if he had been a great fool. So, am I a great fool? What about my reward? Thinking about it, the sergeant.